Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FET is moving currently up in 5 waves. That wave 4 was very shallow. It seems like one half of that wave 4 is sort of missing, but it's following our overall bullish thesis further in that we wanted to see 5 waves up. We've got these 5 waves up now, okay? So I've got a 5-wave move up here on this chart. It might be forming something like an ascending wedge here. That is a little bit too early to really confirm that, because the trend channel is also relevant, but overall I see a potential wedge pattern. Depends on if the price is going to react to that lower boundary line, if we get a rejection from somewhere. But what I can tell you is, in the past, these ascending wedges that are often called bearish patterns by many, they tend to break out to the upside in bullish markets in the crypto world, and then they tend to surprise everybody. But it's just something that from experience I can tell you that would not be unusual in crypto in this kind of market to see a break above this trend line, and that would be considered a breakout, especially as the price is here currently at a key pivotal point. We have reached the first target I gave you for circle wave 1 at 75.5 cents. So we've arrived there finally. Now it doesn't seem like it wants to stop. At least I haven't got any clear indication it's doing so. So the next level would be $1.03 and then $1.14. They are the next key levels to watch to the upside. I've added here the $1.03 level, which is the, if I look at the subdivisions, the next target basically, for wave 5 itself. But it's basically now the next levels, $1.03 and $1.14. And that is sort of my perspective. Ideally, I'd like to see a wave 2 before the $1.14 level is broken. If we don't see that, then we might see a complete direct escalation higher. As for example, Rune has started it, and then we might move quite directly towards the $8 level. Okay, I just want to make you aware about that. Don't necessarily assume a deep pullback will start, not in a bullish market. If one shows, it can provide an opportunity, and I would expect it to be primarily a corrective one, which means it has the capacity and the potential to hold a higher low. That is the idea, because we now have 5 waves up and we have fulfilled the target requirements. Okay, so it has done what it needs to do to form circle wave 1. If we come down from here, then it should be a wave 2, and but I will not add yet a support area because I haven't got a confirmed top in place. And now that we have 5 waves, we next need to be watching for those pivots at $1.03 and especially $1.14. And if that level breaks, it might need a recount and a reinterpretation, you could say, of the chart, which is going to be tricky because the microstructure, as I said from the beginning, is a bit unreliable, okay? The microstructure is a bit unreliable. The first clue that something even more aggressively bullish might be going on is basically that this wave 4 was so shallow. Just want to make you aware, okay? How exactly that would be counted, that's a challenge. That's a challenge. I mean, there's always the potential to count some small 1-2 setups in here. It's just not the most probable path until the market shows us a breakout above certain levels, especially as these are so small. That's why I say oftentimes micro counting when it comes to altcoins is challenging. But what we need to know that in a bullish market, which this one is, further extensions are always possible and likely. We just have to expect them. We also have to expect shallow pullbacks. So that's the situation we're dealing with. But overall, we've now basically reached that first target level that we've been talking about for weeks, and that's been on the chart for weeks here. So let's see how it progresses from there. But the bottom line is I cannot see any indication that a top has formed now. Okay, that's my update about FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.